What is that, Connor? Oh, you found the other baseball.
Yeah.
Just doesn't zoom. Uh-oh.
Connor.
You can't eat that whole.
We'll give it to you later, okay?
Mmm.
Football. How about you give that to me? Thank you. Candy.
Yeah, you can't even eat most of it. Huh.
And a ball.
He can use that bucket, probably.
Yeah.
Not that I don't know if he'll even get the concept of put the eggs in the bucket, but.
Oh, we'll get there. You have no idea what all this stuff is. But it's colorful and it makes you happy, huh? Okay. Yeah, there's going to be a lot of those.
Yeah, they got stuff in them.
Got here. This in your toy chest. And now I have a basket for collecting eggs.
Connor, where's your basket?
Okay, pal. This is your basket. Can't move, please. Whee! You tuck that back in the rug.
Oh.
Egg goes in the basket. See? Egg. Egg. Egg in the basket. Good. Alright, now find more eggs. Where are the eggs? Yeah, there's an egg. Good. More eggs. Okay.
Should I take the stuff off the table here so he focuses? Yeah, let me try.
Just eggs.
Oops.
Where are the eggs?